Reading for long hours do strain your eyes because all the blue light which comes out from your monitor screen, it affects our eyes and it does not easily helps us to sleep. So I have decided to use the blue light filter which is from Flux. I have been using it for the past 3 years. So I am giving you a review of it, and if you also like, you can use it. I have given the link in the description from where you can download it. So when you install it, it will ask for some permissions. So we have to accept that, and then it will install it in your computer. Then you have to enter your location or the city. If you know the city, you enter the city, otherwise you can enter the zip code. So after you enter your location, you should press the search bar. When you press the search button, your location will be displayed on the screen. Then you have to press the OK. Then you will get a quick start guide. You have to click on that and a web page opens on your browser. This is about the Flux. To make it simple, I am going to explain that to you. So here you can go to the bottom right corner and you can click on this icon. Then this type of interface opens up. You can go to the adjust day and night settings, and when you move the sliders, the blue light filter comes into action. However, since this is a screen recording, you will not be able to see it clearly. However, if you download it, you can easily able to understand that. And then you can go to this change current color. Like if there are various Kelvin levels, the lower you go, the higher the filter level would be, and the screen would turn more and more orangish. And here there are various presets also which you can play through, and then there is vignette mode, grayscale and all. And this is the main slider. When you tweak that slider, this is the Emerald City, like the whole screen will turn green. When you install it, you can watch this video, you will be able to better understand the features of that. And then this is your options tab. You can set your backwards alarm clock, which is by default. It will help you notify that when is your bedtime, and gradually it will implement the filter. You can also use white slider scales, but it is not necessary, the given options are enough. And then these are hotkeys, like if you press Alt plus End, you will be able to disable the blue light filter. And then this is how quick your transition should be. I usually keep it in very fast gaming because I feel that is better. However, if you want much slower transition, you can also put that. And I will uncheck the automatic update notifications at all. And if you have Philips Hue light, you can also connect them, but since I don't have, I am not presenting it here. So when you do the performance test, your screen all flickers and it does a test of the screen, like how many FPS you are getting. And these are all just technical things. You need not do this. Just I'm showing you the average FPS, the worst, the missed. So these are not very important. Like it will work sufficiently if you use it in proper way. And then these are custom colors, like these are presets. See, this main slider is decreasing down, it is going up. It depends on the preset you are selecting. If you're working late, you will prefer to have less of the blue light filter, since if you keep the slider down, you will get sleep easily. When you move the slider left and right, blue light filter automatically comes into action. And the lower Kelvin you go, the more effective the blue light filter would be. So you can also disable it or you can automatically start when you start your system. Also, if you wish to put some permanent option on your laptop, then you can always go with this Amazon blue light filter. I have given the link in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can comment your queries or anything. Also subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.